Good morning, students. How are you today? Today is Monday, and today we're going to talk about the assignments we have last week. Okay. So now I want you to get your book, your science book, and open it to page 48, 5.2, sorting materials. So here. So again, the assignment was that you are going to name the materials, right? So as you can see, what did you find out? So as you can see, the materials or things that it's in the picture are most likely the same, right? So we have here this one is a brick, or you can say block. Here we have the spoon and fork, and then there's ice, the tissue and its box. There's a balloon, a jacket, and same here. Okay, so that's the naming, right? So those are the names of the objects. So here, all these things, the blocks or the brick, spoon and fork, ice are hard, and then what's this? The napkin, the balloon, and the jacket are soft. So aside from sorting them according to hard and soft, they can also be sorted, or they can also be arranged or be grouped according to other properties like dull. When we say dull, it's like if it's a knife, it means that it's not sharp. Or if it's dull, something like boring, like the colors are boring, like that. So it can be dull here, meaning it's boring, the colors are not very attractive or it's not sharp. And here is also shiny. So that's those are the two things that makes or like find out. So like first is like the things are the same. Second thing is that they can be arranged or grouped into different properties aside from soft and hard. It can be arranged to its like dullness, like not sharp or it's boring, or shiny. Okay, so for your homework, I want you to get your activity book and answer page 26. So this is a language review. So this is a review about, so this exercise checks that you understand the scientific words used in this unit. So match its sense to its sense organ. The first one has to be done for you. So here on this column are the senses. So taste, hearing, touch, sight, smell, and then you're going to draw a line to the body part or the sense organ. So for number 2 and number 3, I'm going to show you something. So here, so this picture, so these are the taste that our tongue, these are the taste, like bitter, sour, salty, and sweet that our tongue can taste. So if you open your tongue like this part of our tongue can taste sweet. Yes, so this one can detect, or it can, it can sense, like this part of our tongue can sense sweetness of a food, like this. And then here, maybe a little bit higher, this part, salty. So this part of our tongue will sense salty, and then sour further, right? So the here sweet, and then here salty, and then after that sour, and then at the very back of our tongue is bitter. So again, these are the tastes that our tongue can taste. So again, this part, like here, it can taste our tongue can sense the taste of sweet taste. And then here, this one is salty, sour, and this part is bitter. So if you can see, you can also open your book just because it's a language review. And I want you to open your book to page 4.2 to help you with your assignment, okay? So one part of the assignment is that um, which two senses often work together? So on this page also you will see the answer. All right, that will be all for today. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy your Monday. Goodbye.